In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove someone as an admin in WhatsApp group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up WhatsApp app. Then tap right here to go to chats, and then you need to enter a group. After that, tap right here at the very top, add group's name. Then scroll down to members section. Here, as you can see, I got a couple of admins in that group. That profile is my current one, and that is my test account, which is also an admin in that group. Now guys, in order to remove admin status from that user, all you have to do is just tap right here and then select dismiss as admin. As you can see, now admin tag is no longer displayed next to that user's name, which means that currently this user is not an admin in that group. However, it still remains as a member in this group. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.